When Skipe Ertelite, the Faroese government inspection of ships, was established as a division under the Ministry of Fisheries and Maritime Affairs on the 1st of January 2002, it was the Danish Maritime Authority that had the technological and administrative responsibility of the inspection of all the Faroese ships. As a consequence, the Danish Maritime Authority had a regional office in the Faroe Islands, manned by 3 supervisors and 2 clerks. All the specialist knowledge came from the Danish Maritime Authority. Even though the Danish Maritime Authority worked out all the legislative work, as well as the technological decrees and instructions, the special Faroese conditions were taken into account, especially regarding fishing vessels. Skipe Ertelite changed its name on the 1st of June 2010 to Sjøfartsstyrelsen, the Faroese Maritime Authority. The sphere of the Sjøfartsstyrelsen is manifold. The largest and most comprehensive field of activity is to conserve and improve safety at sea. The safety at sea sphere includes technological regulations and decrees that should ensure the safety of ships and boats. The regulations are worked out in accordance with international treaties and codes that are made at the International Maritime Organization. The vision of Sjøfartsstyrelsen is to be recognized as the leading guide within the field of safety and work environment. The aim is to guarantee a quality commercial framework for the maritime industry, and also to ensure that FAS is promoted as a recognized quality ship register. The services are founded on quality, trust and candour. Sjøfartsstyrelsen strives to improve safety at sea, the working environment, health conditions and the marine environment.